Hello friends, welcome to Technical Campus. In this video, I would like to tell you and show 5 Oracle SQL functions. Before starting this video, I would like to say that please subscribe this channel Technical Campus by pressing that link below this video. So let's proceed further and start. Substr function extract specified number of characters from a string, so it can be applied to fname column of employees table, which can be done as select substr, or let's print fname also, fname comma substr of fname comma 1 comma 2, which means it will pick initial 2 characters. It will start from first character and then it will pick 2 characters. Here it is. You can see for each name it is picking first 2 initials. So this is how substring function works. You can use this substring function to extract any number of characters from any string. An instr function tells the position of a specified character in a specified string. For example, select instr. There is a string called Jatin, and I want to find out the position of t. Dwell is a temporary table which is empty. Here you can see that t is on 3rd position from Jatin string. You can use this function instr to know the position of a character in any string. Translate function is used to replace any character with the specified character in a string. For example, select translate. There is a string called Jatin, and I want to replace a with I, so I will specify a comma then I from Dwell. Now here you can see Jatin has become Jitin. You can use this translate function to replace any character from any string. Concat function combines 2 strings and print the output as a single string. For example, we will combine 2 columns, first name and last name. Select concat fname. We will also combine space, so we will again write concat because it only combines 2 strings. So there are 2 nested concats. Here you can see the first name and last name. You can use this concat function to combine any 2 strings and print the output. toChar function is used with date function to print the desired number of date format, or to extract month, year or day from the date. Let's see the example of how you can extract the month from the date. Select 2_char sysdate. Sysdate is system date. Month. From 12. You can use this to_char function to extract month, day or year from any date. यार एक तो Subscribe the channel Technical Campus by pressing red button, and to get notification hit bell icon.